So today I'm about to show you how to use NotebookLM to generate book summaries. First, open NotebookLM and create a new notebook dedicated to your book. Click on the add source and upload your digital copy, whether it's a PDF file, text file, or even pasted text. The moment your file finishes processing, look at the sources panel. NotebookLM will automatically read the book and generate an instant high-level summary along with a list of key topics. To take it a step further, look at the Studio, Reports, or Notebook Guide section. Click on Briefing Document or Study Guide. The AI will instantly synthesize the book entirely into a structured overview, complete with central themes, major plot points, or key arguments. Pro tip: if you want a deeply detailed chapter-by-chapter breakdown, go to the chat bar at the bottom, type this prompt. Go through this book chronologically and provide a detailed summary of each individual chapter, including the central theses, important arguments, and key examples used. The AI will scan the entire text and build a massive, comprehensive summary that maps out the whole book from the start to finish. And that's it. That's how to use NotebookLM to generate book summaries. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.